Experiencing a something went wrong error during Mint Mobile eSIM activation? You're not alone. This error signals a failure in the digital SIM provisioning process. It happens when your Mint Mobile app tries to download and install the eSIM profile onto your phone. Common causes include device incompatibility, like an outdated operating system, network connectivity issues, a locked SIM, or problems on Mint Mobile's servers. Think of it as a hiccup in the digital handshake between your phone and Mint Mobile. The good news is that often it's fixable with a few simple steps. Here are the troubleshooting steps to resolve the something went wrong error when activating your Mint Mobile eSIM. First, ensure your phone is eSIM compatible and running the latest operating system version. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. Force close and reopen the Mint Mobile app, then try rescanning the QR code. Check if your phone is SIM locked with another carrier by checking Settings. If these steps fail, visit Mint Mobile's troubleshooting hub on their website for more detailed guides. For persistent issues, contact Mint Mobile support. AI-powered chatbots can assist, and a representative can help if needed. You may need a firmware update for your device to resolve the issue.